Hi, this is Stephen with Fairs Management Interactive, and here's another dedicated video lesson for the Arizona Exposition and State Fair. This lesson has to do with transferring floor plans from one person's login to another. And it also has to do with creating a fresh administrative and coordinator login that starts with the most recent plans and leaves the previous collections of previous years in an archive. So let's just get started and show you how we transfer plans over. So we click on Administrative Access. I've created a new administrator login, and we're going to go to that first. And we're going to go ahead and load our All Grounds plan. Now, when we go to load personal folder, the only thing in there is a blank. That's what we use for some maintenance. It doesn't have any planning on it at all. So there are no floor plans in there yet. So what we do is we go to the change user and we go ahead and we log in with the archive login that we want to pull our plans from. Okay, so now when we look at load personal folder, we'll see all these plans. And if we look at the upper left-hand corner, we'll see that the user has changed. And this is something you want to pay attention to make sure that you're working in the correct user folder at that time. So we're going to scroll down here and look for some 2017 plans. There they are. And we're going to choose the most recent master copy, and that's in 07/07/17. So we go ahead and we load that. Now, to place this folder, or excuse me, to place this layout in our administrative folder, we go and we do a change user folder again, and we go ahead and log in as that administrator. Now we go to our save folder. There's nothing in there yet, but we're also going to put a timestamp to help ourselves out. So we're going to go 2017, and then we're going to go 07, and then 17 for today. Then we're going to go master plan. Excuse me. Retype that. Master all. And then we're going to say, let's just say archive. Oh 07 17, just to let us know where it came from. And we say okay. All right, so let's look back in our master personal folder load. There it is. We're going to go ahead and test it, make sure that it loads up. It sure does. So now we want to pass this on to our coordinator and put a copy of this in theirs. So we just basically do the same thing. We go to change user folder. We type in our coordinator's login, hit submit. Okay, and we're going to do a personal folder load to check and see what's in there. Nothing in there. So now we're going to do a save in their folder. We're going to put our timestamp in. We're going to go ahead and let them know it's an archive. So it's the original source, and we hit OK. So now when the coordinator goes in, they have that plan to go from. They know that's an archive and that they should be resaving that with their own plans. And let's go ahead and test it out, make sure it loads in theirs. And again, one of the basic principles of FAIRS MI is when you close a session to go up here to the upper right-hand corner and hit that log out button. This is especially true when we're going to be passing files around back and forth. This will keep the data all lined up and neat, and it'll help us out a lot. So that's basically it. This will give you a fresh start on your floor plan, so you don't have to look through so many, but you'll still be maintaining an archive that you can always go back to and reference a certain year's layout or a certain area. Thanks.